What a beautiful morning. Look at this. It's not cold. It is so nice. And I woke up, put my sweatshirt on, and there was wrenches in my pocket. How cool is that? Anyways, wow, we need to do some stuff back here. I need to cut these out. This needs to go, that needs to go. I need to save this one. This one's trash. I got a new one of those. Yeah, I don't know what these got to cut off. This needs to be cut off. I don't know if I should take these off or not. I'm gonna figure that out later on. And this needs to come off. I've got I gotta take the fly-by-wire pedal out to sell, or it needs to go with this motor here. Everything else here is with it. ECU, fuse box, wiring harness. Yep. I'm almost to the point where I'm turning around and I'm gonna start rebuilding the car. Oh, I also gotta take all the suspension off and send it over to Steven and CS Off-Road. Oh man, a lot of work to do. Better get busy. All right, I'm gonna start cutting away at this thing. Gotta get these mounts out, so here we go. A little time lapse. Because it's gonna be a while and it's gonna be boring. And it's gonna be like, so no one wants to hear that. Not even me. That's why I got my headphones in, some Tool. Peace out.
I got my grinder. I'm gonna grind away. Make those sparks fly away. Gotta rid of these transmission mounts. Clean up these tubes. I got my grinder. Is it a cut-off wheel? Is this for real? Can you tell me if this is real? I'm gonna have to cut away. Flap this, got me flapping the metal away. Flap, flap, cut, cut, grind, grind. I got my grinder. I got my grinder. I'm gonna grind away.
It's already hot. I'm sweating. And that wasn't even that much work, but I got it. I got it out. I need to save this mount because I'm gonna need it to put it back on here. Yeah. So let's continue our way back. That was the hardest one. I always try to start the hardest thing first. So yeah, here we go. I had to get comfortable. Next, what do I want to do next? This thing's gonna be a pain in the butt. I think I'm just gonna cut it straight down. I'm gonna cut it off straight down, and then I'm gonna come back through and grind off the rest of the stuff.
I got my grinder. I'm gonna grind away. Make those sparks fly away. Gotta rid of these transmission mounts. Clean up these tubes. I got my grinder. Is it a cut-off wheel? Is this for real? Can you tell me if this is real? I'm gonna have to cut away. Flap this, got me flapping the metal away. Flap, flap, cut, cut, grind, grind.
Who pushed the easy button? That one was super easy. I'm gonna come back and clean all this stuff up though real quick. But most of it's gone. And this is trash. Oh my gosh, look how bent it is. Ooh.
This is not the grinder that James and Justin.
We have a visitor.
I was parking in the driveway, but I thought you'd yell at me.
Yeah, this is not peasant parking.
We filming already?
I've been filming.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, you boob?
Oh, it smells like grinder in here.
I hate it, dude.
Ugh.
And they're so sketchy. Like, now you know it's like half a
Junky
tooth.
little grinder you're using.
Dude, the thing spins at 5 gazillion RPMs, too.
5 gazillion. How nice.
We're gonna mess with this for a minute. Tim's gonna start talking shit about my whatever.
Probably.
All right. Peace.
Real, can you tell me if this is real? I'm gonna have to cut away. Got this, got me fucking the night away. Grind, grind. I got my grinder. I got my grinder. I'm gonna grind away. Make those sparks fly away. Gotta get up these transmission knobs, clean up these tubes. I got my grinder. This is not the grinder that James and Justin play. This is a grinder that takes the metal away. What a mess they say. Keep running away. I got my grinder. I'm gonna grind all day. I got my grinder. Just grinding away.
All right, I just said fuck it, and I went down. I didn't want to deal with recording anymore. Anyways, I got that big plate off the bottom. I got those tabs off. I'm gonna have to clean all this stuff up, but they're at least cut off. Gotta clean all that stuff up. And I cut these off here. There was a tab here. Oh, okay, so that will be for tomorrow. I'll clean up all this stuff. I'm gonna clean up all my mess down here. I'll make another mess tomorrow, but I just want to get the stuff out of here. I like leaving my evening with it kind of cleaned up, a little bit at least. And what else? So tomorrow I'll come in here, I'll clean all this stuff up, and then I got to get this transmission set in there. I need to make this mount again. That's gonna happen later. I think it's hammered. But yeah, I'm gonna get the transmission set in tomorrow, hopefully tack in the mount, and then put the new engine in, and hopefully, you know, by Sunday, Monday, I can send this over to James and have him start building the back of the cage. Gotta make progress, right? That's it. I'm calling it a night. Peace out.